30 ways to make $100 per day online, part 10. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and in this video I'll show you another way that will possibly make $100 per day online if you're serious about it. Okay, so what you need to do is just maybe a couple of orders. This is actually super easy to do. I'll show you the whole system, the whole strategy. You can do this from anywhere in the world, and this is a great way to actually start making money online and work from home. So guys, before I'm going to show you what it is, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment. This really helps me out with the algorithm, and this way I can record more videos for you. Everything about making money online and working from home, you know what this channel is all about. And also don't forget to check out all the links in the description. I have my free courses, I have my $1 course, I have my coaching, I have all of the tools that I'm using to make money online and work from home, so check it all out. And right now let me share my screen, let's jump into this video. So guys, we are on a roll with Fiverr. So guys, when I'm showing you different Fiverr gigs or different ways to make money on Fiverr, keep in mind this can be any other freelancing website. Okay, so actually selling services like this is probably the easiest way to start making money online. Okay, so in this video we will talk about logo design. Okay, so guys, logos used to be like $5 on Fiverr. Like when I started on Fiverr back in 2012, 2013, a logo was 5, maybe 10, maximum $15. Right now on Fiverr, as you can see, you can charge $100, $90, 10, 30, 140. So it really went up. You know, you can really charge a lot of money for logos. Just one gig like this will cost you $100. And as you can see, this is a super simple like typography logo. You can use different free tools to actually create these logos. This is absolutely crazy that these people are selling hundreds of these gigs. If you are a clueless business owner, you probably don't know that a logo can be created for free or for like $5. So you just go to Fiverr and you spend $100 on a logo like this. And that's why we as smart marketers, we come in and we just cash in on this trend. Okay, so as always with Fiverr or with any other freelancing website, just find something that already works, find a gig that is already successful and mirror it or mimic it. Okay, so I would just rewrite this title. I would create a similar picture right here. I would just rewrite this whole thing in my own words. I would add similar packages. Obviously, if you are brand new to Fiverr, just lower the prices, give your buyers a better deal and deliver faster. Okay, this is how you're going to convince people to buy from you as a new seller versus buying from an established seller that is more expensive and that delivers in a few days instead of like a day or two. Okay, so this is how you start getting orders on Fiverr. And then once you are established, once you will get these 10, 20, 30 orders, you can actually raise your prices as well. So guys, as you can see, this guy sells logos for $100. Standard is $200, premium is $280. Super expensive for a logo. And as you can see, he doesn't really deliver much. He does one concept, logo transparency. You can do this for free, high resolution and a 3D mockup. You can do all of these with free online tools. Okay, so I'm actually going to show you these free online tools. So once your Fiverr gig is set up, or a freelancer gig or Upwork gig, once someone buys from you, all you have to do is just create the logo. Now you can create them in a bunch of different ways. I like canva.com. Okay, so Canva is free. They have some free templates, and as you can see, you can actually create a bunch of different things on Canva. So you have presentations, video, Instagram, Facebook, posters, logos. So let's click on logos and you will see how easy it is to create different types of logos. So guys, keep in mind with Canva, you do have some free templates like this one. This one is absolutely free, so you can move things around, you can edit this whole thing, you can change the color, you can change literally everything about this, and then all you have to do is just click on download, and as you can see, they actually have a bunch of different options. So JPG, PNG, that's the one that is without a background, so what this guy was essentially charging, logo transparency. So as you can see, you can create this for free. PFD print, PFD standard, so you can actually download all 4 and deliver all 4 to your buyer and charge them more money, because every single additional thing that you are adding will just boost your whole gig. You can charge much more. Okay, so these are the free templates that you can use. There are some paid. Now if you will use the paid ones, for example, if the paid one will cost you like $5, just charge more on Fiverr. Charge $5 plus whatever you want to make, so plus an extra 10 or 20 or $50. So Canva is definitely one of the easiest ways to actually start making money online, working from home. As you can see, you have literally dozens and dozens, if not hundreds of logos. Check this out, all colors, all shapes, all sizes. You can literally pick based on like what kind of a logo you want. So check this out, with these type of letters, this is exactly what this guy is doing. So you have all of these different types of logos. We have logos for restaurants, for teams, for companies, whatever you need, they have. So guys, this is only one of the ways you can actually make money with logos. I also highly urge you to set up different link listings on local websites like Craigslist. Okay, so on Fiverr, logos are pretty expensive, but the cool thing about local listings is that you can actually charge even more than on Fiverr. So even if you will buy a logo on Fiverr, you can still flip it for probably double of the price locally. Okay, so I live in the Algarve in Portugal. So I remember when I was looking to create a logo for my bar catering company that I used to run like 10 years ago, I went to a local like a design studio, and they wanted to charge me 250 euro, which is like $300. Absolutely crazy. And this is actually what you can start charging to these local businesses because they don't know any better. Okay, so just type in logo and create your listing on Craigslist, or you can actually go to Google, type free classified ads, and just use all the local websites in your area. So for me, this is this one, Algarve Daily News. As you can see, they have all the classified, they are selling vehicles and services. So I would just post something in the services. And by the way, obviously you can do logos, you can do all different kinds of designs using Canva. Okay, so these are 3 different ways you can make money with. So again, create a Fiverr gig. Fiverr can be your base. Create an Upwork gig, create a freelancer gig, create a listing on Craigslist, on a bunch of different free classified websites, and just wait for the orders. Once the order comes in, you go to Canva, you create the logo, and you are done. And again, can you make $100 per day online doing this? Very easily. If you're charging $50 to $100 per logo, that's a no-brainer. So guys, that's the video I have for you today. Before you go, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, leave me a comment. If you have a question, leave a comment. If you just want to say hi, leave a comment. If you want to help me by boosting the algorithm, leave a comment. It's highly appreciated. Check out all the links in the description of this video, and keep on coming back to this channel. I'm always recording videos about making money online and working from home. So watch the next video right now, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Ciao.